Welcome back to TrixCorner. In this tutorial of Microsoft Excel, we are going to create the formula that will get comments, a formula that will extract comments into the new cell. Now there is no straight function in Excel that will get us the comment of a cell, hence we are going to use VBA code. So let's get into Excel and see how it can be done. In this Excel sheet, I have created a very simple and small database of my employees, including employee code, employee name, date of joining, department, salary and designation. The designation column is blank. We have taken this as a task to fill this designation column from comments which are mentioned in names of employees. The designation of our very first employee is manager. That's what we have here. As I have already mentioned, we are going to use VBA to create a new formula. Let's open VBA editor. To open this, press Alt F11 from your keyboard or go to Developer tab and click this Visual Basics button. I'm not going to explain you how to get this Developer tab here, as we can also open VBA editor using Alt F11 from the keyboard. So press Alt F11 and this window will pop up. Go to Insert and click on Module. Now there is a VBA code in the description of this video. Copy that code and simply paste it here. Remember, the name of our new formula is getComment. Minimize or close this window and get to our Excel sheet. Start writing our formula getComment and select the cell where our comment is and press enter. We have the comment in the new cell. If you're wondering how the cells got autofilled with the formula, it is because I have converted this data into a table. We can see this in Design tab. This data is named as Employee Master. It is a function of the table that formula will get autofilled. Coming back to the designation, we can notice that it is written as HP Manager and HP on every cell. That is because of the comments have HP in it. Let's remove this HP. First, let's get rid of the formula and convert it into values. Copy using Ctrl+C, go to Paste Spatial and select values. Okay, the formula is gone. Now the common thing in every cell is HP with this colon. Copy this HP colon and press Ctrl+H. Replace tool will pop up. We can also get this replace tool by pressing Ctrl+F and select the replace tab. In this section, paste HP colon, leave everything as it is and click replace all. Done. Now you might get the result with extra space like this. If your result is like this, select the cells, press Ctrl+H. In this section, press Ctrl+J. Click on replace all. Done. That's all for this video. If you like this tutorial, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.